In some cases, Windows Update may not work as they should and instead return an error message with a code like this one. So if you also have the same issue, here are some solutions you can try. Now in this case, all you have to do is restart your computer and then update Windows again. To do that, open Start menu, click the Power option, then click Restart. Next up, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, click System, select Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, then click the Run option next to Windows Update. Now if the process detects any problems, it will try to fix them automatically. But if you're still seeing the error, it might be because of a corrupt system file. So what you should do is open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. The process will take a while to complete, but once it has completed the process, restart your computer and try updating Windows again. And those are the following fixes if you're having this Windows Update error code on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.